everyone, popping in here to do a little try on of some of the earrings I have available for the sale today. It goes live at 3 p.m. probably by the time this video is posted it'll be live. So we are outside despite it being very hot. My son is playing in the water. We've got our water bottles. I've got some gummy worms for me and all of my jewelry that is ready to go. So most of these things are going to be ready to ship either tomorrow or the next day, so try to get your order in, because if you don't by Friday morning, it's going to have to ship when I get back from my trip. All right, I'm so sweaty. I have a pair of concave earrings, one in bronze, one in silver. I think they both look really nice on. Kind of a statement hoop, simple though. The silver is a touch heavy. Like, to me, it doesn't hurt my ears or anything, but it is noticeable that I'm like wearing a solid earring. Also, I've been wondering lately, am I more of like a gold girl or a silver girl? What do you guys think? These new big asymmetric statement, very lightweight, have a little bit of movement at the bottom. They're the same length, but they are asymmetric in design. Nice. Got these studs. These ones are in bronze, but I would make them in silver if you were interested. They are a good size. This is the same style of cyclical thing, but it's a drop style. I'm not sure I'm in love with this design, but obviously willing to sell these. They are very lightweight, sterling silver. They're right, they're simple. These are from my last shop update. Textured little like spheres in them. I think it has interesting dimension and texture. These asymmetric botanic earrings, I really love these. Also a statement, but super lightweight. I only offer these in bronze right now. If you want them in silver, or are you okay? If you want them in silver or gold, just reach out. The birds, can you say bird? I have these. I love how they kind of like crawl up your ear. Super simple, kind of playful. I have a couple pairs of these available, study spiral earrings, bronze, sterling silver ear posts and backs. Pair of disconnected hoops. Another fun statement. I think I still have them marked discounted on my website, so get them while you can if you want. Yeah, I just made a pair in sterling silver for my mom. If anyone's interested, also just reach out. I have cascade earrings, really simple, just kind of like a drop earring, lots of movement. These earrings that I finished right before we went on our baby moon to Puerto Rico last year. Oh, I love these earrings. No one bought them still, but I don't care. Maybe I'll bring them on my trip with me next week. A pair of these available, asymmetric, pretty much the same length. Design on each side though. I also have a pair ready to ship in sterling silver. Has a little bit of a darkened patina in the fingerprints. So I have this random etched pair that was returned to me recently, so they're available again. This is kind of what they look like on. These aren't listed on my website yet for this shop update, but just message me here if you are interested in them. And last but not least, I have a little update on my wax kits for my fingerprint and pet print rings, charms and stuff. Before I was doing kind of a more utilitarian like plastic box that I was sending out to people to get their wax kits, which was fine, but I feel like I wanted it to be a more special occasion or moment, so I got these nice branded boxes. It's gonna be really nice for gifting, hint hint, Mother's Day. And yeah, each kit will come with the appropriate wax for your project, along with instructions, a little intake form here just so I keep everything straight, and a return label if you are in the United States. And yeah, I think it just looks really nice. It'll be also returned to you once it's cast and finished in a box like this. Thank you for checking everything out with me. I'm going to be listing some of those things at a discount. These are going to be marked down just a little bit. I might do a discount code for it, so just look out for that in a minute. And yeah, my son is sitting in the bowl of water now, so I have to go.